Hi, I'm Sarah Maxwell and I'm going to show you how to use Livylash Launder. In order to keep your lashes healthy over time, it's important that you clean your lashes every night. So no lash care system would be complete without a safe, effective cleanser. That's why I created Launder, our lid and lash cleanser. It's formulated with witch hazel and chamomile to effectively remove eye makeup while maintaining your skin's natural pH balance. It's safe for lash lifts and extensions, and it leaves your lashes extra clean. Okay, Brianna, I'm gonna pass you the Launder.
Okay.
So on your clean hand, I want you to do 2 pumps. Perfect. I want you to take your cleaning brush and dip into the foam. And I want you to work from the inner corner to the outer corner, working all the mascara and eyeshadow away from the eye. Gentle circular motions. So you just want to massage a few times over and over on both sides. You can dip back into your foam if you need to. Perfect. This is honestly one of the most quick and effective lash cleansers. Everything's going to be removed really quickly and easily with not a lot of scrubbing. And then I want you to take a little bit of water on your face cloth and rinse. You want to work away from the eye so we're not getting in the mascara, any debris or oils that have accumulated over a day into the eye. So you want to work away from the eye, okay? Perfect. Once the lashes are clean, you can pat dry. Perfect, Brianna. You look super clean, ready for bed. And she can wake up in the morning and start her daily lash ritual all over again. I know there's a lot of good cleansers out there, but this one really is my favorite. It uses safe, effective ingredients, and I just love how clean my lashes feel after using it. It's the perfect cleanser to go with the rest of the lash care products in the Livylash Daily Lash Ritual.